maybe I'd stop being a lion.
Channel started.
That's eight minutes. Ask me to explain that. Remind me. I'm sorry. I know. Oh, it nearly went. Obviously, if I remember. How do I do that? Not sensitized, I don't know if that's a word. I am feeling overstimulated right now. Everything is okay. I know that. I do know. Everything is as expected in this situation. I've regulated myself. How did I do that? By doing stuff, by doing things. I was sorting things, doing things, working other things out. Took my mind away from whatever was happening within me then. Without hat. What is it? Oh, what terrible weather they're having. That's funny. Wagamama. Where's the ride? I know it's okay, because that's what I expected. Wow, yes. I expected it to be okay, and so I acted on that expectation, which is not good. It wasn't just the expectation that I acted on, actually, if I think about it a bit more. I considered a number of things before, other things before I pulled out. Chose, acted. I'm the fucking... I mean, how does he know? But what did I do? What did I do? I'm not speeding, am I? I don't know. It's not telling me. I'm not. I'll wait. I mean, he didn't fucking stop, did he? His mate did. Right, where have I got to go? Okay. Wrong lane. have been living with that I didn't need to. Oh God, that's really helped as well. This is so different. It's not so different, really. It's only a little bit different. But it's different enough for it to be very impactful for me. And it's also very interesting to me. I don't know why. Well, I do, I guess. Wagamama. Time? Exactly the time I need to be here. Ah, yes, okay. Alright. I'm just going to come here. This was the idea anyway, and look, it's working. Loading only, I'm aware of. But it's Sunday. People are getting married. So, hopefully, in good spirits. And it won't matter. I'm only going to be...
Recording. 2 channels started.
Fuck me. No way. Cinematic. Hello. I'm really overstimulated right now. I'm in my car, the engine is running. I've come to pick up dinner. I've just gone and got dinner, right? So I got out of the car, I've walked over to Wagamama, collected the takeaway and returned to the car. It's been 4 minutes. 4 minutes, I think. That was a calculation I could work out. And I'm going to reenact exactly what happened in there. And I'm also going to emphasize the conversation part of it in exactly the correct... So it's here, sorry. Exactly the... fucking now. I mean, I didn't plan on this. So, sorry about it. It's fine. Nobody's watching me. Good, right. Anyway, I'm going to do it. I walked in there, right? Someone's getting married. There's church bells going off, everything. I got these in my ears to block out sound. I'm not listening to anything. Already worked up and overstimulated. Walk out, get out of the car, go over there, in there, immediately, pressure. Fuck. Okay, social mode. Only collecting dinner, it's fine. There's a lot of glass in here. I hope I don't walk into that panel. You know, wait, is there a sign? Have I got to wait somewhere? It's like a walkway I'm going down. There's lots of people eating. Who have I got to speak to? Is there? No, there's nowhere to stop. I've got to wait here anywhere. No. Oh, somebody's walking towards me. Cool. All right, she's coming. Some young girl. I said, so she's coming to me, looking at me in the eyes, and I'm looking at her in the eyes, and I go, shit, it's a guy there. No, he doesn't know. I go, what did I say? Oh yeah. Hi. This is exactly what I said and how I said it. Hi, I'm here to collect. And she goes, hi, table for one. And I went, no, I'm here to collect. No, I didn't say it like that. I didn't say it with that emphasis. Wait, I didn't get it right. So I went, I'm here to collect. And she went, hi, table for one. And I said, no, I'm here to collect. Or something, it was like that. She just misheard me. What the fuck am I doing? Right, I gotta go home because this is important and it's getting cold. And now I've been distracted away from my sadness and misery and whatever else that was. Coffee number one. Morrison's Daily. That was a sweet shop. Why? What the fuck is that car doing? Yeah, you're on the wrong side of the road, mate. Oh. Jesus, this car's coming up. Coming in hot. He really is eager to get by. He's going for it. Ah, yes, now you've got better weather. Oh, it's not. It doesn't look quite as good now. It's deflated. Perhaps maybe because of the weather. I was late. Plastic bags. Wait.